Surprising facts. The length of the epidermis is about 6 meters. So it is 6 meters. The length of the sperm is about 60 micrometers. So it is 60 micrometers. Such a small sperm has across the distance of approximately 6.5 meters while passing out a male reproductive system. Sperm need large amount of energy. For this purpose, fructose is present in semens. Human female reproductive system. With the help of diagram, we'll see first. It is uterus here, fallopian tube here, ovaries, vagina, cervix and ovary. All organs of female reproductive systems are in abdominal cavity. So they are present in the abdominal cavity here. It includes a pair of ovaries. So if you can see, a pair of ovaries are there, 2 ovaries are there. Then single vagina here, then uterus here. Besides, a pair of Bartholin glands are also present. Generally, every month an ovum is released in abdominal cavity, alternate from each ovaries. So if you try to see, once the ovum come from here, in the next month it will come from this ovary. Free end of the oviduct is funnel-like. So if you see, free end of the oviduct is funnel-like. Opening is present at the center of it. Oocytes enter the oviduct through that opening. Cilia are present on the inner surface of the oviduct, and this cilia push the oocyte towards the uterus. Gamete formation. With the help of figure, we'll see. Here is a human egg, ovum, and the human sperm, spermatozoa, that is sperm here. Both gametes, that is sperm and ovum, are formed by meiosis. Sperms are produced in testes of men from beginning of the maturation till death. However, in case of women at a time of birth, there are 2 to 4 million immature oocytes in ovaries of fetus. That is, its meaning is a young human that is still developing in its mother body. An oocyte matures and is released from ovary every month from beginning of the maturity up to the age of monopause. Monopause means that time the oocytes are not generated or not produced, approximately at the age of 45 years. Monopause is a stoppage of functioning of female reproductive system. At the age of about 45 to 50 years, secretion of hormone controlling the function of female reproductive system either stops, become irregular, and this is called as menopause, or this is a cause of menopause. Fertilization. With the help of figure, we'll see first. Here is ovum, here is the sperm. Now here you can see the sperm is entering the ovum. Now this is called as zygote formation, and the entire process is called as fertilization. Formation of zygote by union of sperm and ovum is called as fertilization. Fertilization is internal in humans, so you can't see outside the body. Semen is ejaculated in vagina during copulation, that is the act of coupling or union. Sperms in the number of few million start their journey by the route of vagina, uterus, oviduct, and one of the few million sperm fertilize the only ovum present in oviduct. From the age of puberty means the time when the child body is changing and becoming physically like that of an adult, up the menopause means up to the menopause from 10 to 17 years, up to the age of 45 to 50 years. An ovum is released every month from the ovary. That is, out of 2 to 4 million ovas, approximately only 400 oocytes are released up to the age of menopause. Remaining oocytes undergo degeneration. Fertilization facts. Oocytes released from ovary during last few months nearing the age of menopause are 40 to 50 years. So in the women's, the menopause stage starts from 40 to 50 years old. So their ability of division has been diminished or reduced till now. Due to this, they cannot complete mitotic division properly. If such oocytes are fertilized, the newborn produced from them may be with some abnormalities like Down syndrome. So, if the aging woman, saying about, take an example of the woman ages 42 or 43, if they give birth to a baby, then there might be abnormalities like Down syndromes in their babies. Sex determination in human beings. With the help of diagram, we'll see first parents. Father, sex chromosome 44 plus XY. Mothers, 44 plus XX. Then gametes divides by meiosis. Gametes contain only haploid and number of chromosome. We'll see here 22 plus X, gynosperm, then 22 plus Y, endosperm in male, then 22 plus X and 22 plus X form X in the female. Then offspring, 22 plus X and 22 plus X gives birth to a girl, that is 44 plus XX. Then 22 plus Y and 22 plus X gives birth to a boy, that is 44XY. Then 22 plus X and 22 plus X gives birth to a girl, that is 44 plus XX. And 22 plus Y plus 22 plus X gives birth to a boy, that is 44XY. The chromosome number in germ cells producing gametes are diploid, that is 2n. It includes 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosome, that is 44 plus XX and 44XY. These germ cells divide by meiosis. Due to this, gametes contain only haploid and number of chromosome, that is 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. Two types of sperms are produced as 22 plus X, that is here, and 22 plus Y in male, and in female it is 22 plus X only. Both sperms and oocytes are produced by meiosis. In the case of sperm, the process of meiosis division is completed before the sperm leaves male reproductive tract. However, in the case of oocyte, the process of meiotic division completes after ovulation and during fertilization in oviduct.